What can I do to make my cough go away? Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depend on its underlying cause. There are many possible causes of coughs, including allergies, infections, and acid reflux. Some natural remedies may help to relieve a cough. However, it is important to remember that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) do not monitor herbs and supplements, so people who use them may be at risk of using low-quality products and impurities. People who want to use natural remedies to treat their cough should research sources and brands. They should also be aware that some herbs and supplements can interfere with medications, which may result in unwanted side effects. If a cough is severe or persists for more than a few weeks, it is essential to seek medical advice. Natural cough remedies. People use a range of natural remedies to try to treat a persistent cough. Here, we look at these remedies in more detail. Honey tea. According to some research, honey may relieve coughs. A study on treatments for nighttime coughing in children compared dark honey with the cough-suppressing medication dextromethorphan and with no treatment. The researchers reported that honey provided the most significant relief from coughing, followed by dextromethorphan. Although the benefits of honey over dextromethorphan were small, parents rated honey most favorably of all three interventions. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons (TSP) with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing. The researchers mainly studied the effects of ginger on human cells and animals, so more research is necessary. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe a cough. Be aware that, in some cases, ginger tea can cause stomach upset or heartburn. Salt water gargle. This simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough. Salt water reduces phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen the need to cough. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solution to cool slightly before using it to gargle. Let the mixture sit at the back of the throat for a few moments before spitting it out. Gargle with salt water several times each day until the cough improves. Avoid giving salt water to younger children as they may not be able to gargle properly, and swallowing salt water can be dangerous.